So welcome, gorgeous peeps. So today we're going to do some social media and we're going to create a plan and we're going to have all of those descriptions with those emojis and your CTA in it. So how do we do it inside of Chatgpt? Simple, simple, simple. Remember to have your AIPRM plugin activated if you haven't already. Then we're going to go up to the search part and we're going to type in social. When I'm typing in social, it's because it's for Twitch, it's for TikTok, it's for Facebook, Instagram, it's for social. So inside of here, you can have all of these stuff for your social media and you can choose what you want to create. However, I'm going to do it a bit more generically. So let's get rid of that prompt. So down here, all I'm going to do is type in, create a social media plan for my channel that is all about, I always go for chocolate because it's just easy. It's all about chocolate. So what it's going to do is it's going to create all of these segments and create a social media plan inside of here and teach me how to do it. So here we go. Let's have a look at what it's come up with. So the objective is for a social media plan to promote my channel that's all about chocolate and increasing brand awareness, engage the targeting audience and driving traffic to your content. So number one, you always have to define your target audience. Number two, you have to choose your social plan platforms. And number three, develop a content strategy. And that's what we want to do. We want to develop a content strategy. This is then going to teach you all of the tips and tricks towards the content strategy so you can become a bit more aware of what exactly you have to post, because you don't want to be that one person that's constantly posting and you think to yourself, oh, I think this is interesting stuff, but then nobody's engaging. So that's how it writes it out there, and you can read all about it so that way you've got your step-by-step instructions. So let's go back over to a new chat, go up to the top right hand corner, we're going to type in social again. Now, as you can see, we can have a social media manager. This one's really, really cool. We've also got captions, hashtags, and tags generations, headlines for storytelling. We've got prompts as well, and then media platforms. These are all really good, but I'm going to go with the very, very first one. So I'm going to click on here. Then I'm going to come on down and I'm going to go create a social media plan for my... Actually, I'm going to make it even simpler, because one of the things that we do make a mistake about is because we talk to it like it's a human rather than an instructional platform. So create a social media platform for all about chocolate, and I'm going to press enter. So from here, it's going to start collaborating. What's all the stuff about chocolate that we can start creating on social media? Wait for it. It's being a bit slow today. Come on, lovely. Come on. Right, let's stop that one because it's being a shit. It happens. It happens. Okay, so come back up to social. Let's go into this one instead. Oops, hang on. Whoop, bugger off. Excuse me. Let's go into this one instead. Okay, so it's going to create some titles for me. Create a social media plan about chocolate. Chocolate, and enter. When it comes to everything with ChatGPT, you have to experiment, you have to play. If you're not willing to experiment and play, then you're not going to really get anywhere, because everyone's going to go, oh, here's the prompts for it, here's the prompts for it. When it comes to your social media in particular, some of those prompts won't particularly work. I'm going to have to come back to this. I'm going to end this live. I'm going to come on back because I think I need to reset it. So give me just a few moments.